There's nothing simple about a kitchen renovation, but what if your kitchen desperately needs a lift? How can you give it a fresh look without all the dust and demo? Here are the top 5 kitchen updates courtesy of the New York Times and me. Number 1, paint the cabinets. Transform those dated 1980s wood cabinets with a fresh coat of paint. Choose creamy white for a clean slate, seafoam blue for a vacation vibe, or a deep, moody jewel tone for a bold statement. Ensure you use a qualified painter to make your new look last. Number 2, update the backsplash and counters. Outdated brown countertops and an unattractive backsplash can detract from an otherwise great kitchen. Transform your space with one simple change. Select a stone that complements your cabinet color. For a luxurious touch, extend the stone up the wall instead of using a tiled backsplash. Number 3, change the hardware. Cabinet hardware makes a big statement and is an easy swap. Coordinate this decorative element to match your traditional, contemporary, or retro style for a seamless look. Number 4, install new lighting. Pendant lighting can be surprisingly affordable. Update your kitchen's ambiance and be sure to pay special attention to the size, height, and quality of light fixture. Number 5, add furniture or storage. Optimize your kitchen space with floating shelves or additional storage. New bar stools can complete your fresh design. Try these simple updates to breathe new life into your kitchen without the hassle of a full renovation.